Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to show you how to marinate steak. I know you can grill or fry steak without the marinade. You can season on the time you actually prepare on the time or cooking time. I recommend everyone to marinate steak before, even a few hours before the barbecue. You see the difference. Recipe what I want to show you is very simple. You need a couple of seasons and a red wine. And if you marinate it like 2-3 days before, that even if you like well done, still meat is going to be nice and quite tender. But as usual, before we start, I'd like to ask you again to subscribe channel, turn notification on, press the bell, share and comments. It's very important and help me build the channel. I have in here 4 steaks, 3 of them ribeye, 1 sirloin. But it's not important what kind of steak you're gonna use. You can use that marinade for every steak. What we're gonna need: thyme, rosemary, marjoram, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. But if you not like a spicy, you can use sweet red paprika instead. And about 150 milliliters of wine, maybe 200, depends how big bowl is, just to cover a bit meat. I forgot one more thing, we're gonna need black pepper as well. Right, first of all, you're gonna grab a salt and salt steak along. Now we're gonna add black pepper, same as salt along all steaks. How much is all depends how much you prefer. Now garlic powder, not much. Now I'm gonna use cayenne pepper, but like I said, if you don't like spicy, don't use it. Cayenne pepper is quite spicy. You can use chili instead, or red paprika. Thyme, and rosemary. Okay, now just massage a bit to push all flavors in. Just a bit. Flip on the side. And do it exactly same on other side. Again, massage a bit, get in all seasons, put all steaks to the bowl, and gonna add wine. You can use any red wine you prefer. Okay, press down. As you can see, the wine is just a bit on the top, not even cover whole meat. Don't need it to be If you like, you can add more. I don't want to add too much, and I'm gonna turn a few times before I'm gonna cook. Cover with the film on top and stick to the fridge. Like I said, it's gonna be great if you prepare marinade a couple of hours before cooking or frying or grilling. But even better, it's gonna stay over the night or 1 to 3 days. After 2-3 days, the red wine in the marinade help tender the meat. Even steaks make and serve as well done, still gonna be much tender and nice. Of course, the taste is gonna be much better than steak just seasoned before cooking. That's it for today. I hope you're gonna enjoy this recipe. I hope you subscribe my channel already, and I hope you're gonna follow my next recipe. That's it for today, and see you next time. Bye.